Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn sky letters, root letter and grass letters. First of all, sky letters. First of all, let me tell you what are sky letters. Sky letters are those letters that fit in first three lines. Now, for example, B, D, as you can see, these letter fits in first three lines. F, H, K, L, T. These letters fits in first three line. As you can see, these are four lines and sky letters are those letters which fit in first three line. These are sky letters, that is B, D, F, H, K, L, T. Now let's discuss grass letters. First of all, grass letters are those letters that fit in mid two lines. Now look at these letters. As you can see, all these letters fit in mid two lines. These are four lines and these all letters fit in mid two lines. In grass letters, we have A, E, C. I forgot to write C before E. I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X and Z. These are called grass letter as these letters fit in mid two lines. Now we will talk about root letters. What are root letters? First of all, root letters are those letters that fit in last three lines. For example, G, J, P, Q and Y. These are root letters as these letters fit in last three lines, as you can see. Hope you guys learned something new. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.